Hello students. Today we are leading the third lecture, which is relation between velocity of object and image of a plane mirror. Suppose plane mirror is there. I am the object. I am running towards the mirror. Now I want to calculate how much velocity of the image will run with respect to the mirror. Whether it will be same or different, we will see. We will study in two cases, right? So first one is case 1. When the object moves perpendicular to the mirror. Whenever you are moving perpendicular to the mirror, then image velocity we want to calculate. So we will calculate the image velocity. See, here the object is there. The displacement of the object from the mirror is I call as XO. Distance from mirror to the object. And you know, plane mirror will form an image exactly equal distance as that of object, right? So image is formed here. I call this as xi. And you know, xi and xo are equal, right? I can write like this: displacement of the object is equal to minus of displacement of the image, because sign conventions we follow. One is left side, right side, and minus of xi. I want to find velocity. Velocity के लिए क्या करेंगे? We have to differentiate. So differentiate on both sides. So dxo by dt is equal to minus dxi by dt. And rate of change of displacement is called velocity. Velocity of the object is equal to minus velocity of the image. Okay, we are calculating everything with respect to mirror. So I can write like this: velocity of the object with respect to mirror is equal to minus of velocity of image with respect to mirror. And you know, relative velocity we studied in the starting chapters mein, kinematics mein. So VAB means VA minus VB. Similarly, VOM means VO minus velocity of the mirror, right? Is equal to minus velocity of image minus velocity of mirror. So I will expand velocity of object minus velocity of mirror is equal to minus VI vector plus VM vector. So when I send this side, 2VM vector is equal to VO plus VI. So therefore VM is equal to VO vector plus VI vector by 2. So this is a formula you have to use. So whenever object is moving and mirror also moving, at that time what will be the velocity of the image we can calculate by using this formula. So velocity of the mirror is equal to average, indirectly we are doing average, right? VO plus VI by 2. Here suppose if mirror is at rest, if mirror at rest, then which one is 0? VM is 0. So therefore VI vector is equal to minus VO vector. So whenever you are moving perpendicular to the mirror, check whether mirror is at rest or whether mirror is moving. If mirror is moving, we have to use this one: VM is equal to VO plus VI by 2. If mirror is not moving, we have to use velocity of the image is equal to minus VO, velocity of the object. Same, right? Normally when we run with 2 meters per second, mirror is at rest. The image also will move with the 2 meters per second only, right? It will not move. Anytime you observe that you are moving with 2 meters per second, mirror 5 meters per second से आकर बाहर आकर हाई बोलेगा, नहीं ना? Same speed से will go. But mirror should be at rest. If mirror is moving, we have to use this formula VO plus VI by 2, right? Chalo, we will do the numericals based on this. So formula to remember this one. This is an important formula. VM perpendicular. So we have to take always perpendicular velocity only. So VO perpendicular plus VI perpendicular by 2. Okay? Understood Yavala? Right. So we'll do the numericals. So object moves with 5 meters per second towards right. Object is there. It is moving 5 meters per second towards right. Okay. while mirror moves with 1 meters per second towards left. The mirror is moving left side 1 meters per second as shown in figure. Find the velocity of the image. Image velocity is how much? Okay. So since mirror is moving, we have to use the formula Vm is equal to Vo vector plus Vi vector by 2. And we have to use the formula with sign conventions. Sign conventions are important. Left side positive, right side negative, right? Now take Vm, the velocity of the mirror is moving left side. It is -1 is equal to Vo, velocity of the object is moving right side. 5 plus Vi by 2. So -2 is equal to 5 plus Vi. So therefore Vi, velocity of the image is equal to -7 meters per second. Matlab velocity of the image is running with 7 meters per second. Velocity of the image this is. Right? Dekho, object since mirror is moving, that's why it will change. Velocity will change. Right? Chalo. Now case 2. Case 2 mein object moves parallel to the mirror. Suppose mirror is there, you are running parallelly to the mirror. Then what will be the velocity of the image? Can you guess? Yes, it will be with the same velocity. See, mirror is there, you are running parallel to the mirror. Parallel to the mirror. Mirror is horizontal is there. You are running parallel to the mirror. The image also will be running with you. Right? Dekho. Chalo. Suppose मान लो you are running with velocity v0. Okay, object ka velocity, right? So मान लो at time t equal 0. Time t equal 0, it is running with some velocity v0. After certain time t के बाद मान लो the object came up to here. Y distance it covered at time t equal t. Now same thing here, the image at time t equal 0 it starts. It is going with Vi, same speed, and it has covered same Y distance and reaches here at t equal to t. At t equal to t mein it reaches up to here. Same distance it covers. That means it is going with the same velocity. So you have to remember, whenever you are applying parallelly, velocity of the image which is parallel to the mirror is always equal to velocity of the object moves parallelly. This is the formula. So two things, case 1, case 2, right? One is going perpendicular to the mirror, one is going parallel to the mirror. Parallel वाला तो same है, same velocity से आएगा, right? And perpendicular में we have to know whether the mirror is moving or not moving. If mirror is not moving, the velocity of the object is same as that of velocity of the image, but in opposite direction, right? Understood? Chalo. Now question. Find the velocity of the image. Now देखो, certain angle में the object is going. I want to find velocity of the image. कैसा आएगा? Okay. So we know already. We should take the components. So इस component क्या होगा? 10 cos 37. So 10 into cos 37 is 4 by 5. So it is 8, right? 8 meters per second. So I am taking the components. You know how to take the components, right? So wherever theta is there, उस तरफ क्या आएगा? 10 cos 37. And perpendicular component is 10 sin 37. So 10 into 3 by 5. So it is 6 meters per second. Right? Okay. Now after splitting, इसका कुछ काम नहीं है. Now we have two velocities, right? One is 8 meters per second and one 6 meters per second. You know, when our object is running parallel to the mirror and irrespective of the mirror, even mirror is also moving also, no problem. Even mirror is moving this side also, parallel wala velocity will be same. So the object is running with 6 meters per second. Image also will run with 6 meters per second in the y direction. Is the pakka? Now x direction dekho, since mirror is at rest, I told you velocity of the object will be exactly equal and opposite to the velocity of the image. So it is going right side, so it is going left side with 8 meters per second. So therefore, velocity of the image is, I will write in I cap and j cap. This direction is I cap, right? So minus 8 I cap plus 6 j cap is the answer. Velocity of the image. Understood? So आपको components निकालने का and use the formula. Parallel वाला same है. irrespective of the mirror can go this side, anything. Parallel wala velocity will be same. So 6 meters per second. And the perpendicular velocity ये 8 है ना, which is since mirror is at rest, आपका formula क्या है? Velocity of the image is equal to minus of velocity of the object. So it is going in the opposite direction, right? चलो. Now देखो same model, but mirror is moving now this side. Now apply concept and try. So I'll take the components first. Tell me 5 root 2 into cos 45 is 1 by root 2. So it is 5 meters per second. And here perpendicular component is 5 root 2 into 1 by root 2. It is 5 meters per second. Okay. Now coming to the image. Now tell me parallel velocity will be same as that of the image only. So parallel में कितना जा रहा है? Irrespective of the mirror. Mirror can move here or here. Parallel velocity will be same as that of velocity of the image. So it is 5 meters per second. A भी 5 meters per second से जाएगा. Okay. Now it is going right, perpendicular to the mirror. But mirror is also moving, right? So we can use the formula. What is the formula? Velocity of the mirror is equal to velocity of the object plus velocity of the image by 2. So velocity of the mirror this side minus 3 is equal to velocity of the object how much, that is y direction, x direction में 5, right? X direction में it is 5. So 5 plus vi by 2. So कितना? Minus 6 minus 5 is equal to vi. So vi is equal to minus 11. So ये minus 11 means this direction जा रहा है ना, 11 meters per second से जा रहा है. That means answer velocity of the image will be minus 11 I cap plus 5 j cap is answer. So 5 plus vi by 2, 6 minus 7 minus 11, right? Yes, correct. So minus 11 I cap plus 5 j cap is answer. Understood? So आपको दो ही केस है प्लेन मिरर में, दो ही केस है. One is perpendicular, one is parallel. Okay? चलो. अब देखो मिरर भी सब ट्रायंगल में जा रहे हैं, ट्रायंगल. And this angle they given as 30 degrees. This angle they given as 30 degrees. Okay. Now we have to find the velocity of the image. Right. How to find? Take the components. इस तरफ component क्या होगा? 10 cos 30. So 10 into cos 30 is root 3 by 2. So it is 5 root 3. And vertical component is 10 sin 30. 10 into 1 by 2 is 5. Okay, split up कर दिया. इसका भी कंपाउंड करो. Here 5 cos 30. 5 cos 30. 5 into root 3 by 2. 5 root 3 by 2. And perpendicular component is 5 sin 30. So 5 into 1 by 2. It is 5 by 2. So whenever theta is there, उस तरफ cos आएगा and perpendicular component is sin आएगा, right? Okay. Now we'll talk about the image now. Image का क्या है? Tell me. Image का parallelly it is how much velocity? 5 meters per second. ये irrespective of the mirror, it will go parallelly 5 meters per second only. Okay. Now the object is moving perpendicular to the mirror, right? 30 degrees perpendicular to the mirror, right? This one. कौन सा? 5 root 3 meters per second से perpendicular is moving. Now mirror is also moving with how much? It is 5 root 3 by 2, right? Now use the formula. Vm, since mirror is moving, we have to use this formula. Vo vector plus Vi vector by 2. So velocity of the mirror is how much? It is minus 5 root 3 by 2 is equal to Vo. Velocity of the object how much? We got 5 root 3 plus Vi by 2. So 2 to cancel. So Vi is equal to minus 10 root 3. So velocity of the image is 10 root 3 meters per second. So therefore, आपको velocity of the image will be minus 10 root 3 I cap plus 5 j cap is answer. Right? Easy, right? So plane mirror ka first we are doing. Then we'll go for spherical mirrors. Reflection will be done completely. Then we'll go for refraction. Complete ray optics will be taught in the YouTube. Okay, आप practice करो corresponding में. Next video will be the number of images formed by a plane mirror, like parallel mirrors, how to find everything we will see. Okay, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.